सर मुझे आप लोगों को फिर से बताने की जरूरत नहीं है कि इफ यू डू वेल इन द फील्ड ऑफ डेटा साइंस या फिर एक अच्छे फुल स्टैक डेवलपर आप बन जाते हो या यू बिकम अ गुड डेटा एनालिस्ट, in either of the cases you'll be able to get handsome salary, you'll be able to get the best job, एक अच्छा job satisfaction, and at the end of the day when you get more salary, right, you'll be able to take good care of yourself, your family, and take them to the different places. This is that time of the year. Hello everyone, we are very close to the Christmas and the New Year. जिन लोगों के पास पैसे हैं, those who are able to make it, this is the time they make the best out of this year where they try to spend the time with their friends and family and take it to the places. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि you need to have the millions to be happy, but to lead a good life today, if you want to make it count, अगर आपको IT में अच्छा करना है, सिर्फ सोचने से नहीं होगा. If you just keep on daydreaming कि मुझे ये करना है, वह वो करना है, आपको सब पता है, जब तक आप उसको execute नहीं करोगे, आप उसको नहीं कर पाओगे. तो ये जो last few days बचे हुए हैं, we at PW Skills, I thought that I'll tell you guys that what are the steps that you can take in your career so that you are just not thinking, सिर्फ आप सोच नहीं रहे हो, you are able to materialize that into a good career in the field of the IT. So we have amazing offers all thanks to the New Year and the Christmas. 3 हमारे flagship courses पे हम amazing offers और discounts आपके लिए लेके आए ताकि इस साल के कुछ आखिरी दिन you invest in the right, you take the right decisions ताकि अगला साल 2024 should be full of good things for you people. So pehla, if you are interested to make it big in the area of full stack development, because that's one of the area which has the maximum number of jobs, where you get to know that how the applications like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn are built, आप full stack web development, Mern stack को enroll कर सकते हो with the amazing discount that you have. तो अगले 4-5 दिनों में try to make sure that you are enrolling ताकि इस offers का फायदा उठा पाओ. The second one is around the data science and generative AI. ChatGPT, you guys are already using it, I know that. It's the time to go move beyond the ChatGPT. Try to understand what generative AI is, what are the large language models, how you can create your own and then put that into the use. Along with understanding artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science from the scratch. So from a newbie to someone who knows in and out of generative AI, this course is planning to set you fast in a very minimal time. So this is another course which is the need of the hour and which sets you apart. ये आपको futuristic बनाता है, and that's another course that you'd like to have it. Also there might be few people जो कि शायद core programming से ना हो, but you still want to make into the IT. आपको data पसंद है, you are analytical in nature, you like writing queries, and that's where the data analytic course helps you get started in the field of the IT itself. You'll set a lot of tools, lot of visualization tool, lot of analytical tools and lot of concepts. So ये तीनों flagship products are available for you so that in the last few days of this year, make the best choice of the year so the next year you are set on the path of success. As I say always, we at PW Skills believe in providing you the best of the product. तो ये जो सारी तीनों चीजें, it's just not course sir. At the time जो offerings हम आपको दे रहे हैं, that's typically the most affordable and best quality in the world, but there are few specific USPs. What are those? Number one, हमारा जो पूरा का पूरा curriculum is based on the industry. We go to the industry, talk to the companies and try to see what is relevant now. So first of all, you get an industry relevant curriculum. Number two, you are taught by the people who are in this industry, right? So we are preparing for the industry, so the people who are the mentors who are teaching you must come from the industry itself. So we are helping you with the industry-led mentors. The third is that I understand that you don't have to, when you learn topics like data science, full stack development, data analytics, many of times you need a heavy computer. एक अच्छा computer जो कि ये सारे computations कर पाए. But worry not if you don't have one, because we get you the PW Skills Lab access free with every course, which allows you कि आपका एक nominal laptop भी आप browser में PW Skills Labs को access करके अपने सारे complex computation जो आपके course के लिए required होंगे, you can do that. And last but not the least, the true North Star. All our courses comes with job assistance. It helps you get ready for the modern jobs, help you get prepared there, and make you ready so that you can shine brighter in this era of modern jobs. So what are you waiting for, sir? इस last 4 दिन 5 दिन जो इस साल के बचे हैं, try to make the best out of this. Happy Christmas and many happy New Year to all of you. Make sure that ये year 2024 आपकी है and you make the best out of it.